Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Free Fire on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Free Fire on your PC or laptop, you will need to download this app first. So this app is called Gameloop. So Gameloop is an Android emulator app developed by Tencent that allows you to play mobile games on your PC or laptop. And since we all know that Free Fire is a mobile game, we will use this app to play the game. So to download Gameloop, just go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, you can now search for Gameloop. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is the official website of Gameloop, and this is also where you can download the app. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now be on the website. So to download Gameloop on this website, it's so simple, since as you can see, the download button is just right here, so just go and click it. And after that, your Gameloop will now be downloaded, so just click the file to start installing the app. And then click the install button. And after that, the app installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now open the app. And after that, you will now be on your Gameloop. So to download Free Fire on Gameloop, it's so simple, you just need to search the game right here. And after searching, you will see the two versions of Free Fire you can download. For the first version, this is the original Free Fire, which is more optimized for lower-end devices. And the second one, which is the Free Fire Max, offers more enhanced graphics and features for higher-end devices, so just select the version that's best for you. In my case, I will choose the Max version. And after that, you can now click the install button to start downloading the game. And after that, the downloading process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the game will now start to open. And then there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.